Hello, all my lovely and adorable students, and namaskar to all the respected parents. Students, I hope by now you all must have read chapter number 2 of your literature book. Yes? And have written the vocabulary and word meanings along with their sentences in a beautiful handwriting. Alright, in today's video we will discuss about chapter covering the main points and we'll give a quick revision to the chapter. Let's start.
The story The Master Artist is written by Carol Moore. Who is the author of this story? Carol Moore. She is famous for writing children's stories. What is she famous for? She is famous for writing children's stories. Children, before we start reading the story, I want all of you to know the pronunciation of certain words, especially the names of the characters. So what you have to do, you have to listen to the pronunciation first and then you would repeat after me. Okay? Are you ready? Let's start then. Carol Moore. Carol Moore. Monsieur. Monsieur. For Mr. we call Monsieur in French. Signe l'abeille. Signe l'abeille. Giuliano Bartoli. Giuliano Bartoli. Ambrosio Lorenzetti. Ambrosio Lorenzetti. Buon Fresco. Buon Fresco. Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso. Patron. Patron. I hope you won't have any problem in pronouncing these words now. Alright? So, it's a short story which was set in 13th century and it is about a master artist named Monsieur Signe l'Abeille who was ready to retire in 1392 in the month of May after 45 years of being an artist. But there was a rich Italian patron. Who is a patron? Patron means a person who supports artists and writers. The name of the patron was Giuliano Bartoli. He called Signe l'Abeille to paint his portrait on a 20 feet tall wall. What was the height of the wall? Yes, 20 feet. Signe l'Abeille initially denied to paint the portrait. Denied means to say no for something. But later on, he agreed to paint on a condition that Bartoli would allow him to paint the way he wanted, and they both drew up a contract. Signe l'Abeille got happy because it was for the first time in his career of 45 years that he got freedom to paint whatever and however he wanted. He was free to paint anything. Signe l'Abeille also put up a condition that Bartoli would not be allowed to see the painting until it was finished, and Bartoli agreed to it. L'Abeille kept on painting behind a big curtain for a week, but L'Abeille did not let Bartoli to see it. On asking the reason for the delay, L'Abeille mentioned that the kind of portrait that he was painting was a time-consuming endeavor. Endeavor means an activity, and mentioned that he learned the special type of art from the great Ambrosio Lorenzetti when he was just 8 years old, and he kept on painting and 1 month passed. When Bartoli asked the status of the painting after a month, Labbe replied that he was making a bone fresco. What's that? It's a special kind of painting made with plaster and takes a lot of time to get dried up. And this is how 3 to 4 months passed. The painting was still not complete. And after 6 months, the painting was revealed. Revealed means shown. But Bartoli was so disappointed with the outcome, he did not like it at all and got so angry that his eyes turned red and he pulled his hair out of frustration and called Labbe a thief and a madman and asked him to leave his house. Although Bartoli was angry to see the portrait, but for Labbe, it was his masterpiece. Bartoli could not understand his different style of painting, which is called Cubism. Cubism is a style of art which uses geometric shapes, and it was invented by none other than Pablo Picasso, the legend of painting. So children, Labbe did not paint something bad, but the style of painting that he chose was 5 centuries older, and Bartoli did not understand it. So this was all about the story.
So this was all about today's revision video. I'm sure now you will be able to attempt all sort of questions asked from this chapter. Until we meet again, I want all of you to study well and take good care of yourselves. Alright? Bye-bye.